Hello students, welcome to another day of class. Today is Friday, August 28, 2020. So that means that today is the last day of class of this week. What we are going to do today is just to check the exercise Think 8 of page book 78. Remember that during this week we were working with comma rules, right? So we were doing like a review. So I need to check exercise Think A. I need to know if you're already finished. And in order to check your answer of page 78, I'm going to work here now. So here I have the sentence. Exercise Think A, page 78 of your books. Remember the comma rules. First, we're going to read them again. Here I have them. We use commas after yes or no at the beginning of a sentence. We use comma before and after the name of the person that you are speaking in a sentence. We use commas between the name of a town or a city and the name of a state. We use commas to separate words or groups of words in a series. And the last rule says that we use commas to separate the parts of the day. So, what does that mean? That here in those sentences you have to be really wide aware about the rule that you're going to use. So, sentence number 1. Yes, we visited the state capitol building in Indianapolis, Indiana. So, where do I'm going to place the comma here? We use comma after the word yes and after the word no. So, if the word yes or the word no is at the beginning of the sentence, we are going to use comma after each one of those words. William, please play your recital piece for Mrs. Green. We use comma after the name of the person about who is talking in this sentence. Number 3. Aiden, Jacob, and Isa are my cousins. We use comma to separate words or groups of words in a series. No. Number 4. No, I cannot come to your house this Saturday, Abby. We use comma after yes or after no at the beginning of the sentence. Keep that in mind. So what you're going to do is just to check that you have the commas in the correct places. And that's everything for today's class. I hope you finished with these exercises. Have a nice weekend. I'm sending blessings from the Lord to you and yours. And please keep safe and stay at home.